Hello guys, today I will show you how I replaced the brake light switch on my Seat Cordoba made in 2004. The procedure is similar on Ibizas and in some other car models made by Volkswagen. I make this replacement because I have this light error on the dashboard with the code EPC. This light came on suddenly, warning me that the brake switch is not functioning properly. But because the replacement is very easy, you can save time and money and do it by yourself. You just need a T20 Torx driver and a new switch. This is a basic Torx driver set that I have. And I will use an OM switch because it's quite cheap. It cost me about 12 euro. You can buy an aftermarket one for less than 10 euro. You have to go underneath the steering wheel and remove 3 Torx screws that hold the plastic cover. This is the first one. There is also one in the middle and another one to the right, to the right extremity, somewhere over there. So I'm just gonna fast forward as I remove the screws with the Torx driver. After you do it, of course, just release the plastic cover. You will also gain access to that switch. Okay, so this is the one. In order to remove it, you just have to switch it counterclockwise and pull it out. So twist it to the left and remove it. Okay, now you just have to unplug the connector behind it. That's it. Install the new switch, connect it, align it in the right place as the old one, and of course twist it, this time clockwise to the right. The position of the switch may vary depending on the model of your car, but the replacement is quite similar. After you do it, just reinstall the plastic cover and secure it with the 3 screws, and that should be it. Okay. Now the car is running fine. As you can see, the message on the dashboard is gone. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.